If you've ever wondered how to save notes in Evernote, this quick tutorial will show you exactly how it works. The good news is that Evernote is designed to save your notes automatically, so once you understand the process, it becomes very simple. If this video helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. Let's jump in. First, open Evernote and sign into your account. If you're using the desktop app, the web version or mobile, the process is very similar. Once you're inside, you can either click New Note to create a brand new note, or open an existing note that you want to continue working on. This is where many people expect to find a Save button, but Evernote works a little differently from traditional apps. Next, enter a title for your note. A clear title helps you find it later, especially if you're saving a lot of notes for work, school, or personal use. After that, type or paste your content into the note area. You can add text, ideas, meeting notes, reminders, lists, and more. As you type, Evernote continuously keeps track of your changes in the background. Now, here's the most important part. There is no manual save button in Evernote. Your note is saved automatically as you go, so if you're used to clicking File and Save in other programs, you do not need to do that here. Just keep typing and Evernote will handle the saving for you. This is one of the reasons Evernote is so convenient, because you don't have to worry about losing your work if you forget to press Save. If you're connected to the internet, wait a few moments for the note to sync. Syncing means your note is being updated across your devices, so you can access it later from your phone, tablet, or another computer. If you go offline for a moment, Evernote may still keep your note locally and then sync it once you reconnect. So even when you're working fast, your content is still being preserved. If you want to save a physical copy to your computer, Evernote also gives you export options. To do that, right-click a note or notebook, choose Export, then select a format such as ENEX or HTML. In some versions, you can also choose Export to PDF and then click Export. This is useful if you want to back up your notes, share them outside Evernote, or keep an offline copy for your records. So to recap, saving notes in Evernote is mostly automatic. Open the app, create or open a note, add your title and content, and let Evernote sync it for you. No save button required. And if you need a downloadable copy, use the export option. If this tutorial helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next step-by-step guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.